In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a daily analytics report using Claude Cowork and InsightfulPipe, so your data updates automatically without lifting a finger. Your data sources are already connected in InsightfulPipe, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, GA4, and Google Sheets. You can add more platforms anytime from the platform list. InsightfulPipe supports over 30 integrations for ads, analytics, e-commerce, and more. With all 4 sources connected, navigate to MCP servers to grab your connection URL. The InsightfulPipe MCP connection guide provides the server URL and step-by-step setup instructions for Claude. Back in Claude, open Settings and go to Connectors. Click Add Custom Connector. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name the connector, and click Add. Scroll down to the new InsightfulPipe MCP connector and click Connect to authorize it. The connection is confirmed. Claude now has access to all your marketing data through a single MCP. Now let's set up the scheduled task. In the Cowork sidebar, click Scheduled to open the task scheduler. Click New Task. This opens the Create Scheduled Task form where you define the task name, description, and prompt. The prompt tells Claude to pull 30 days of Meta Ads, Google Ads, and GA4 data, then write it all to Google Sheets with formatted dashboards. Name the task, Analytics Report, and add a description. This helps you identify it later in your scheduled tasks list. Select a working folder for the task. Make sure to create this folder beforehand. Cowork requires it, even if it's empty. Set the frequency to daily and choose your preferred time. This task will now run automatically every day. Adjust the time to match when you want the report ready, then click Save. The scheduled task is created and appears in the scheduled task list, set to run every day automatically. And here it is. The analytics report task is saved and scheduled. Claude confirms it with a notification. When the task runs, Cowork breaks it into steps. Check platforms, pull data from each source, update Google Sheets, and verify the results. Claude works through each step, querying all your platforms through InsightfulPipe and pulling the data simultaneously. It processes the data, creates the sheets, and writes everything to Google Sheets, including formatted dashboards with charts and scorecards. The report is complete. Claude shows a full summary with 30 days of ad spend data, GA4 metrics, and key pacing insights. And here it is in Google Sheets. A performance dashboard with live scorecards and trend charts, a pacing dashboard with budget tracking and status indicators, daily performance data, and detailed budget pacing, all built automatically by Claude through InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.